This video will show how to change the sensitivity, zoning and name for the optical smoke detector DP2061N. To carry out these operations, you must be logged in as a user with installer rights. To log in, press F4 to select main menu. Using the jog dial, turn it, and select a user which has the installer credentials. Now press the jog dial to go to the password option. Using the button, enter the correct password for the user. To do this, simply turn the jog dial to select the right number, and by pressing the button will move the cursor to the next digit. Now press the jog dial or F4 to enter into the installer menu. Then press the button again to go to the field setup. Scroll down to loop device config and press the jog dial. Select the loop number of the device that you would like to modify. For this example, I will change the parameters of the device fitted on loop 1. Press the button to select loop number 1 and see all the devices in it. Using the jog dial, find the optical detector you want to edit, then press the button. I will change a device that is addressed as number 11. In loop device config, the first line describes what type of device we are dealing with. In this case it is an OD optical detector. Now press the jog dial or use the F3 key to move to the next setting lines. Here you can change the detector's operating zone. Pressing the button will move the cursor one step over to the right. Let's move the detector from zone number 1 to zone number 2. When finished, press the button to move the cursor to the daytime sensitivity setting. There are 5 selectable modes of operation for the detector, allowing it to adapt to the area of protection, avoiding false alarms. Using level 3 as an example, if the clean air count is 50, then a precondition will occur when the counts rise by 40 to 90 counts. The fire alarm occurs when the counts rise a further 20 to 110 counts. Each level is characterized by a different obscuration and therefore also by the time at which smoke detecting alarms are reported. So changing the setting to level 1 will set the smoke detector to be the most sensitive. Setting the device to level 5 will set the device to the least sensitive. I will change my day detector sensitivity to level 4. When finished, move the cursor to the night setting. Now you can choose your nighttime operation sensitivity, using the same method again. I will change it to level 3. Once selected, press the button to move to the control option. Here you define whether the detector is enabled, stays in the soak test, is disabled at night, or during the day, or disabled at all. The detector is normally left on, as enabled. Now move the cursor to the device description. Here you change the device name by using the jog dial. Pressing the button will move the cursor one step over to the right. Once you have finished, press F4 enter to save the settings. Then press F1 to go back, and F2 to select exit. To complete the process, press F3 to apply the new detector configuration.